Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your very own loadouts within the Delta Force PC game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Delta Force game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, before you start your match, click on the loadout button just alongside the start button. Now you can tap on the L button within your keyboard or click on loadout at the bottom section to see the various different loadouts that you have. If you wish to create a new loadout, just click on any slot where it says empty. This will now create a new loadout where you can manually define all of the equipments that your soldier will carry. Click on primary weapon and choose your desired primary weapon from the various available options. Select within the different class from the top section and then click on the equip button after choosing your desired weapon. You can also equip the secondary weapon in the same way. Click on all of the available options to equip the various items to your player, and once you have made your preferred changes, you can click on the save button. You can also change the name of the slot where you assign this loadout, and after entering your desired loadout name, click on the OK button. Now after clicking on save, your loadout has successfully been applied, and now when you go back from the loadout menu, you can choose the loadout that you have just created right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create your very own loadouts on the Delta Force PC game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.